Meaning of dry goods.
Dry goods.
Dry goods.
Dry goods.
Dry goods. The term dry goods refers to a category of products that are typically sold in a dry, packaged form and do not require refrigeration. Examples of dry goods include grains, beans, flour, sugar, and other pantry staples. These items are often used as ingredients in cooking or for long-term storage. The term can also refer to a type of retail store that specializes in selling these types of products. In general, dry goods are considered essential items for creating basic meals and maintaining a well-stocked kitchen pantry.